Hey guys, so here we are on July 2nd. Just wanted to videotape my show setup. This year we've got 5 positions of consumer and display stuff, and then a finale of display and a couple consumer cakes. So just kind of wanted to run through and show you what we've done. We got position 1 right here, a lot of nice consumer cakes and a nice big shell rack at the end. And then we've got position 2 right here. With some Dominator Pro, Spirit of 76 Pro items, a bunch of consumer cakes. We've got some Magnus 2.5-inch rockets, canister shells, a couple of display shells that'll be going off when I do the Spirit of 76 Pro items, so we'll see how that looks. And then we got position 3 in the center here, a bunch of really big 500-gram cakes and shells. Then we've got our finale right here in the middle. Mostly display shells, a couple consumer cakes, Dominator Pro stuff. And then we've got station 4 right down here, another assortment of Dominator Pro and some 200 and 500-gram cakes. And we've got our final station right here with a couple zipper cakes, 500-gram cakes, and shell racks. So consumer racks and consumer cakes and Dominator Pro at each station. So in about another hour we are going to start shooting. Enjoy the show, guys.